Well, we're here doing an exclusion on this house today. I thought I'd show some of the tools I use to climb these big houses. Trust me, this roof's pretty big. It don't look as big on the video, but we're doing an exclusion on this house. I'm going to show you the ladder hook. I use ladder hooks quite a bit. Like if you see that little round window, that overhang butts that other roof line off that reverse gable there. There's a hole there. I'll see that'd be a good spot to use the ladder hook. Say you didn't have a long enough ladder to get to that peak and reach over with you. And sometimes those are like 4 feet wide. That one's actually probably only about 3. That's a good spot to hook the ladder hook right there. But I'm just about wrapped up on this job. We'll walk over here. Got the truck set up. This is a typical house we're working on. There was a boom here of these houses. You know, this house was probably $500,000, something like that. Now it's probably only worth about $250, maybe $270. Well, lots of them foreclosed on. Things were doing really good here. My daughter working with me today. This is the ladder hook. This just hooks. I don't know, maybe a lot of you guys already got these, but just in case you don't, this hooks on the lung of your ladder. One lung, and then the other lung, this swings around, flips over, hooks on there. Then you flip the ladder over and it rolls right up the roof of this ladder. Then you flip it back over, and this hook right here will hook right onto the peak. So say you got a ridge vent, which this is can vents, but ridge vent you want to work on, or just a spot you can't get to, these ladder hooks really work good. This is another way I generally get up. I just take the truck tire, like here there's really no way to support the ladder. Yeah, then if you set up the ladder just like that, then you don't bend the gutter either. Works pretty good. And I also use this pure black quite a bit. I get it from Phil Nichols. I just ordered another case from him today, actually. Checks in the mail. But this system works pretty good. It's a foam gun. Got a strip of hardware cloth. Like where that soffit butts the roof right there, there's a hole there. We just stick that hardware cloth in there and then we inject it. It works really good. It keeps pretty much everything out. I mean, raccoons, you know, it'll repel them, but if they work it long enough, they'll get through it. But they'll get through anything if they work it long enough. But my daughter, firstborn, she gets nervous from dad sometimes, but
yeah.
The front she was getting a little nervous, but it was all good. We're careful, just slow it down. Big deal. Alright, so that's the ladder hook and the pure black foam. Good stuff.